Hi guys, today we are playing Just Tornadoes. Okay, spawn the Dominator 3 for no reason because I'm ass at this game. Sorry for saying a bad word, I cannot help. Let me check the radar. Oh, EF1, okay. Yeah, tornado, but it's worth it for no reason. Because there's a How do you even get flown out of the map? Brother, that's just an EF1. How is it that strong? Wait, am I even in the opposite one? Home. Oh yeah, boy, World Cup. Everybody jump. A World Cup. Why did I even go to the wrong direction? I'm dumb. Don't have no GPU in it. What? Dude, this bridge pisses me off. Okay, at least we're getting a go. What the heck? Is that tornado? But at least we're still gonna intercept. I'm not following the law. Oh. Okay. Deploy. Yo, how did you even get so close to that? Who even gets close? I'm going to put that kill for a while. Since there are 3 tornadoes right now. 3 tornadoes are right here. There are 3 tornadoes right here right now. There are 3 tornadoes right now. What? This tornado cannot be that skinny. Oh, I just missed it. I might not deploy it. I'm deployed. Oh, I think I'm ready. I'm ready. And go, let's get it go. Yo, is that Reed Timmer? Yo, Team Twistex! Twistex, you're here! You finally here, Twistex! Twistex is finally here! Let's spawn some random car and follow it! He's alive! He's actually alive! Let's go! Team Twistex is actually alive! Let's go! Oh no! Bro, let me deploy! Finally, it's deploying. I'm lucky it's deploying right now, or I will be caught. Ooh. Bye bye, brother. Brother, goodbye. I will miss you. Okay, near the core. God core. Holy core, bro. Holy, I should not even undeploy yet. What was that? What was even that? What type, bro? What is that thing flying? Okay, it should be okay now, but I should remove them. Okay, let's go. Let's go. But I should probably use the T2. What is that? I should probably use this instead. Probably better, since it looks like it. I should probably intercept that thing again. Oh no! I'm in the what is it? Oh! World Cup! Everybody LARP! World Cup! Everybody LARP! Okay, I should be get near to the tornado, but not too near. I should be. Oh! Now deploy. What the hell is that tornado even going? Bye bye, bro. But I should we're probably in the wrong direction right now. Okay, go. Do not get nearby that tornado right now. Should probably place that here. What the? Am I even near that tornado or not? Dude, it's not even a special game mode yet. Bro, what is it chasing, brother? Go. We need to go. Bro, I'm not even in an EF5, but I'm still too scared to even fight that thing. I'm supposed to fight it? Probably I should. Oh, hi there. You're probably that guy who got flown there. Deploy! Immediately deploy! RIP to that carbon! RIP to that interceptor! RIP to that carbon! Okay, it's getting near. Do not lift me, bro. Do not lift me. Do not even lift me. Do not make me fly like some random person. Oh no! Probably should probably place a probe instead. I know it's even you can easily get it at the edge of a map because you know. Heavy probe! Go! Run for your life! Brother! I should intercept it first. Why are you guys getting near it? Do not get near it! It will make you fly like a diamond! Are you serious, my bro? Dude, I cannot be that. Okay, I knew tornadoes even coming. Bro, just go back. Bruh. Go. Okay, immediate speed to that tornado. Hope there's some EF5 gonna spawn, brother. I hope there's an EF5 gonna spawn. What is that tree doing over there? Spot the difference. Impossible mode. Oh! Welcome! Everybody join! That's my hiding spot. I still get caught for no reason. Yo, Team Twistex! You still alive, brother? You are still alive? Yeah! probably go for that tornado there. Probably. Oh my god! So many F4s! This is gonna be a good time today, but do not even distract this half. It should intercept when there are brushes. Because it's gonna be hard when you intercept. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, do not enter. Do not enter. Didn't we respond it? Okay, 111 miles per hour. Okay, so where the hell is that? I gotta even get out. I think I'm ready. Go! Wait. Come on. Okay, but why the butt? I should better go to those tornadoes right now. Some of them are weak as frick. Okay, I'm just going to use an Dominator 3 for now because how honestly I'm in this situation. Alright, I'm going to follow the law now because I don't even care about the tornado right now. Dude, what? Dude! Yo, let me see that, let me see that, bro, let me see that. Bro, look! 36. Bye-bye, car. Do not even fall. Okay. Serious? Car, are you serious? I'm going to open hazard because for no reason, and I already missed it. World Cup, everybody, Lord. Okay, do not film me, brother. 3 tornadoes. Let me check, bro. Enrique, do tear the pop. Okay, do not get me. Spawn heavy throw for no reason because yeah. Oh, I cannot deploy. I cannot undeploy right in this situation. Dude, just let me see. Wait, let me see. Not it. Okay, go. Oh my god. Okay, it's heading straight that way. So I'm going to move that way. 9. Dude, do not make me fly. Okay, right there. Okay. Why did twin brother? Holy yeah. Oh no. Deploy. Yeah. Go. Oh, you are messing every time. Oh, you can't. Go, 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 go. Go, go now. Go right now. Go, champagne. The World Cup, pull up. Okay, here, then there. Okay, then follow me, brother. Follow me. Just give me a chance, bro. Just give me a chance. Just give me a chance, brother. Brother, just give me one chance to even intercept you. Please be in EF5, brother. Dude, I've been searching in EF5 for a while. Finally! Dito na. Nako. Okay, so it's okay. Oh, it's at EF5. I should not deploy. Where's that? We're gone to. Bro, these spawn like like some random. What did I even do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do, Dev? Brother, what did I do? Oh, please, what did I do? Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Holy, what did I... Holy, I almost got hit. Oh, just spawn in EF5, brother. Spawn in EF5, brother. Spawn in EF5. Spawn in EF5. Spawn in EF5. Holy, not that bridge again. I hate this bridge, brother. I feel like I'm going to drop. But what is that? What? Is that an EF5? Okay, I'm just going to do. Now I'm leaving. Oh! That's not even an EF5, that's like a ball. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought it was an EF5 for no reason. Well, just give us an EF5, brother. Just give. Okay, but we're lagging so bad. Now I'm just going to intercept this random odd thing. Okay, I'm just going to put K there. And go now. Go. I should go to that road. Okay, get out now. But I should have entered the tornado without even deploying it. How am I not even flying? Oh, and I cannot get that thing back. Okay, I'm so close to that thing, but I should have made a flash. Bro, just add a flashlight so I can... Bro, Dev, just add the flashlight! Brother! Okay, standing here. Okay, bro. Where the hell am I? Okay, finally here. And bro, where's that girl at? It's still right there at the end. How far do I have to walk to get that thing again now? Okay, brother. Brother. Okay, so I'm just going to deploy for a while. Oh, deploy! Brother. What is even global about? Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho. I'm at the corner. No, just... I forgot to even spawn the probe. How stupid am I? So that's that fly. Oh, wait, dude. When it's still this big, you couldn't deploy it. Become a small spot. I could on the floor. Okay, it's pretty small now. Go, 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 go. Just remove that probe, bro. Hi guys. Bye.